We got a lot going on here. A lot of the damage is down to the edge. All right, look what we got here. We got a Jeep Compass, a bunch of damage to the driver's side fender. We got a lot going on here. A lot of the damage is down to the edge. Big area here, up top. Nice tight smile right here. Damage going all the way back here. I'll check in with you to show you the progress throughout the repair. All right, so here we go. All right, I am kind of through the first phase of kind of roughing it up. I'm gonna explain to you what I got going on here. So up front, I still have a lot of work to do right here. Down at the bottom, still low. There's still smile. This big main area of the dent is still low. There's still a lot of smile work I have to do. Low here, smile all around everything. Everything's still a little bit low. So this is kind of the first stage of it, okay? So I'm probably about 15 minutes in. All right, let's get back to it. All right, it's been about 20 more minutes. I think I'm probably 2/3 of the way through, and basically we're just a little bit further along. Okay, we're basically flat in here and flat up here, which is the most severe area. Still low down here, low, and then in between all the lows, smile. Boom. All right, so we'll get this going, and then hopefully next time we check in, we're going to be done. All right. Woo, man, here it is, you guys. This thing kind of kicked my butt, and I don't have it all the way. This is for a wholesale customer, so I really can't put the time in to make this thing absolutely perfect, but this is what it looks like. Still got a little bit of texture to it. There's still some flaws. For this customer, this is gonna be more than enough. All right, see you guys next time.